So we are here at the parking sa NU MOA. May meeting lang kami today, kaya punta na kami sa school. So see you there. So kaya tayo sa elevator. Here at 8th floor, so I'm with Charles. So we're going to the boardroom of PHQ kasi may event for tomorrow. So mabilisan, pagdating namin, meeting na agad. So yun yung boardroom. So it's Ron again. Pauwi na kami ni Charlie. Tapos after the meeting, pumunta kami agad sa canteen. So nalaman ko kay Barista Mitch na merong nag-inquire for a new event. So coffee daw with the president of NU. So I will not tell the date pa, pero they will be having this event sa school and they will order from our cafe. So nagtatanong sila ng quotation for best combination of pastry and coffee. So gagawa tayo ng quotation for that one. And then while discussing it with Barista Mitch, tumawag naman yung sa PHQ branch natin, si Miss JD, telling me na we will be having an event tomorrow. So mabilisan, biglaan. So ngayon, pauwi na dapat yung commissary team. Hindi mo namin pinauwi para makagawa ng order nila for tomorrow. So settled na, for tomorrow, lock in na kami. So magdadala kami ng kiosk tomorrow. Kahit isang kiosk lang, tapos yung lights para maganda naman. So yun, and then balitaan ko kayo ano yung itsura. So that is partnership daw with SM and Korean Tourism Community, something like that.